In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Capcut with TikTok using your iPhone. Whether you're stepping up your content creation game or simply looking to streamline your video editing process, integrating these two apps can make the workflow much smoother. So let's get started and walk through the steps to link Capcut with TikTok. First, go ahead and open up the Capcut app on your iPhone. If you haven't already installed it, make sure to download it from the App Store. Once the app is open, you'll see a range of options to explore, but for our task today, direct your attention to the bottom right of the screen and tap on Me. This is your profile section and acts as your gateway to various settings and personalizations within the app. Next, look towards the top right corner. You should see a small gear icon which represents settings. Go ahead and tap on this icon. This is where you'll find all the customization and account management options Capcut has to offer. Within the settings menu, scroll until you see the option titled Manage Accounts. Tap on this to access your connected accounts. Here you can link various services to Capcut, but for now we're focusing on TikTok. Now under the section labeled Connected Accounts, you should see a link button next to TikTok. Tap on this button and you'll be prompted with an option to continue. It's a straightforward process, just tap Continue to proceed. At this point you'll need to log into your TikTok account, enter your login details which typically include your username and password, and then follow the on-screen prompts. This step ensures that TikTok is successfully connected to your Capcut account, allowing seamless sharing between the two platforms. With your accounts now linked, the possibilities become endless. Once you've completed editing your video in Capcut, you'll be able to export and directly share it to TikTok. To do this, look for the export button within Capcut, then select Share to TikTok. It's an incredibly efficient way to post your creative work, saving both time and effort. And that's it, you've successfully connected Capcut with TikTok on your iPhone. This integration not only enhances your editing workflow, but also keeps your content organized and ready for sharing. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and guides. Happy editing!